Today I am teaching her how to capture the important moments when you feel it. And the best time is to record when you are actually feeling it. For example, we are traveling right now, and today her task is to record the moments of actual feeling the moment when you are doing something. So we are going to a park where we are going to walk for one long hour. And during that one long hour, whatever moment she experiences, the shifts she experiences, she will be capturing those moments on her own to teach her brain and nervous system the freedom and the independence she has over life. Your nervous system, your brain doesn't know until and unless you do physical actions. So through real physical actions, she will be learning that I can do it. And this is the confidence. This will release dopamine in her. And if you too do this activity, you will also release real dopamine. And you don't have to depend on cheap dopamine through watching reels, shorts, and other social media capture of other people. You should start living your life, and from that moment, you should start recording it. It is a skill, it is a huge skill to learn videography. So, she is learning in a new way, and you too can learn it. For example, we are right now here in the traffic. So, let me show you the traffic, and we are making the best use of this moment to capture something extremely valuable. Are you enjoying it?
Enjoy
This,
I'm enjoying.
for example, moving the camera in different direction, the same camera, you can move in different directions and capture it. Now the vehicle is in motion. So we are capturing the motion, the movement. So this is an experiential learning training of the brain and nervous system. The voice may not be clear right now, it doesn't matter. As long as the intensity of your energy is good enough, it is strong enough to reach. Alright, so see you in the park. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye. So here is my live training going on for her, where she is learning how to record videos. This is the practical training for the brain and nervous system, and this is how I work. So this total video is going to be a great, interesting learning point for you as well. You can continue. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Yes, she is a great learner. She learns very fast and executes very well because she is with me and she is tuned to Sanju frequency. So if you too want to tune into Sanju frequency, you have to be with me. There is a live practice going on, and you will see what a great taskmaster I am. In the meanwhile, you can enjoy this view. Learning is extremely fast with me because I remove all the obstacles of the mind. All the blockages in the nervous system I remove with my powers. This is the first time she is doing, and she is extremely enjoying it. You too can enjoy it because your brain knows when you are learning, you are actually investing in yourself. It's raining and we are walking towards a park for a walk, and it's a beautiful experience. Are you enjoying this moment?
I'm enjoying this raining as we are walking.
Yes, and we are carefree to have this experience. Just have a look at the greenery around and these beautiful flowers. Wow. It's a pleasure to be here at this moment. And this is what I'm teaching you. Live life every moment. You cannot manifest this rain. You cannot manifest this moment. Such a beautiful place it is. Just stand here and have a look. Here is the traffic, and here we are. Such a beautiful experience. Yes. So more surprises coming up. We will show you. Keep walking. There is no rush in life. There is only flow in life. And that is what today's theme is. Walk around. Have a look at that view. So see you in the next moment. Together, we are here and look at this jungle view. Today's journey is totally different. Today's journey is all about training the brain and nervous system to be in an unknown place. So today's task is she will be all alone for the next 1 hour and explore this place. She will be all alone in this place for 1 hour. We will depart after a certain time. And for 1 hour, she will explore on her own, use her brain and nervous system to look at nature, capture moments, feel it completely, because it is challenging for the brain, because she is in a new country, new place, and that is the challenge she needs to overcome. Once she overcome this, then she will become confident. Her anxiety will go away. And this is what you need to do too. So let's come. I will show you this place, a little bit of this extreme raw nature, a different kind of ambience it has. So let's walk, have a view of this rawness of nature. All this discovery is my discovery. I keep on exploring places, and that is why my brain is so sharp and alert. Today's challenge, one more challenge is it is a rainy day. It's raining continuously, and the next challenge is we are not wearing shoes. I will show you what we are wearing. We are in the slippers and with these socks where the fingers are apart. The benefit of this type of socks is it absorbs the sweat in the feet and it keeps the toes apart. So when you walk in this kind of shoes, socks, you feel highly energetic. Now, this place has a different vibe because it is a vortex. No, there is no temple here. It is just like a rock. But since the people are around, so we won't go to that rock area. We will avoid it. We will just focus on our energy and we'll focus on how best we can make use of this moment. All right, so see you in a different zone, in a different place. So now we are starting the activity. This activity will be for 1 hour, similar to what was the exploration of two people in instinctive times, in primitive times. So what we are going to do, we are not going to use internet for the next 1 hour. We are not going to connect through any phone call or messages. Here, she will take a different direction and I will take a different direction. We will walk for 30 minutes in different directions on our own. We will be recording videos or moments, whatever we want to record, so that you are also enjoying with us the adventure. She will be recording her part of the moments and I will be recording my part of the moment. And we will share that with you at the end of the video. After 30 minutes of walk in nature, on her own, in an unknown land, in an unknown path, she will return back to a common point. And that is what I am also going to do. So for the next 1 hour, there will be no internet connection and there will be no communication. But with the instinctive brain, with the sixth sense, we will be doing this activity. And this activity is going to activate the primitive brain in her and in me. And this is how I'm teaching this technique, EMM technique, through which you can always have new activities to do, even if you have the same nature around. All right. So all the best and let's go. Give me a high five. Yes. Yes. So we are starting. She is going in this direction and I am moving in this direction. You take this direction. You take this path. I will take this path. Or I may take a different path, totally different from yours. So meet you. Yes, bye. So, are you excited? Most likely I'm going to record most part of the video so that you are one in tune with this energy. And there is so much excitement involved in it. So, what will you do with me in this 1 hour? In this 1 hour, you will learn the energetic mastery method with me of doing mouth exhalation with pauses. And this mouth exhalation with pauses has the power to heal you from neurosis, to heal you from fibromyalgia. So, how this technique works? You have to exhale from the mouth and exhale out completely. As you exhale out, your belly should be deflated. Keep walking with your own pace. And look around in nature. You have to appreciate everything around. Move your head in different direction as you are doing this mouth exhalation. And pay attention only to the senses. Whatever you are experiencing in this moment is your life. For example, look at these flowers spreading across the ground from the tree and have a look of the greenery around. If you want to feel a flower, you can pick it up in your hand, have a smell of it. Look at this flower on the tree. Look at those flowers on the tree. It's a cloudy day. But this sight is awesome. I will show you if you can have. Look at the yellow flowers on the grass. It's a totally different experience.
And look at this tree trunk. Today is a special day because you are experiencing the live recording of actual energy work that I do. You have to know that my techniques are extremely practical and I empower you, I transform you. I never make you a handicapped student or a handicapped person. You will always feel that after each session, after each energy work with me, you are growing exponentially that you never experienced in your entire life. This video which I'm creating right now, I'm talking continuously. Then what is the secret of my energy? The secret of my energy is mouth exhalation. So do it with me. I have healed thousands of patients and people suffering from fibromyalgia, neurosis, schizophrenia, brain and mental health related issues through this one technique of mouth exhalation and the energetic mastery method. Have a look around. You have to understand that you have to exhale more always. Always you have to exhale more than you inhale because mouth exhalation leads to vasodilation. Vasodilation means opening of your blood vessels through which blood flows. Your heart rate improves. So before I go ahead, let me show you a more raw and wild nature out here. And these flowers. These flowers smell so wild and beautiful. And the color of these red flowers, orange flowers. Have a look at this. It looks like a kingfisher bird, beak. So when you are in nature, make sure that you are making use of all the elements of nature. Today, despite being a cloudy day, a rainy day, I decided to conduct the project here because your brain needs to be exposed with everything of nature. All the time you will not get sunlight. All the time you will not get everything that your mind thinks. That is why you have to be exposed to a different quality of life. This activity will activate your primitive brain. This activity will inspire you to live a different quality of life. And you can do it. Why this live recording I'm showing you? Because I want to show you that it is possible. It is extremely possible for you if you decide. You should have the willpower to do this activity. There will not be a single moment in your life when everything will be perfect. Nothing will be perfect. Nothing will be perfectly carved to suit your need, to suit your mind's need. You have to create reality for yourself. This is an ancient vortex, and I will take you to certain trees which are so much ancient. Look at that tree in the background. So feel nature with me. Another tree which is a vortex, this vortex, the ancient cedar tree. Have a look, close look of this tree. Just touching this tree itself is bliss. And have a magnanimous view of this vortex. Staying here for some time, you get lost. There is another one which I will show you. And look at the color of these leaves. So raw, and it's totally different. Look at the trunk of this cedar tree and have a feel of it. So when you go out in nature, you should feel the touch of the tree. This jungle trekking is extremely adventurous, especially because I am training the brain and nervous system of my student who is having the challenges to come to life. Being on a Kundalini awakening journey is not easy. Every day you have to face challenges. Now look at the squirrel there. If you can see, yes, it's running. And there are lots. There are parrots around. If I find them, if I spot them, I will make you experience that as well. Till that time, you do mouth exhalation with me as you are watching this video. Sometimes you can do the mouth exhalation continuously without breaks, and sometimes you can take pauses. Whatever you do, do what your body allows you to do. There is no rule involved in it. I am trying to capture most moments which are exclusive, and in the meantime you experience the rawness of life. Those wet mud after the rain. And as you can see, I am not taking any pauses in between. It is a continuous walk. Because of my high stamina, because of my regular instinctive activities, because of my fitness, whatever age you may be, but you can experience this because your stamina will improve as you do this mouth exhalation. So let me show you more squirrels here, somewhere in the background, playing around, and have a look of this place. Feel the rawness with me. Experience everything with me, with my eyes, with my energy. And this is a new invention, which is walking in slippers. Whether it is a muddy day or it is a sunny day, doesn't matter. The benefit of walking in slippers is that your feet is open completely, and blood circulation happens in your feet in a much better way. You have to allow yourself to experiment every time you come across something new. So it is almost 12 minutes of the walk, continuous walk, non-stop walk. This non-stop walk is important for vasodilation. I'm taking you to the most beautiful spaces If it would not have been raining, then I would have done the grass grounding activity. Still have a feel of this place. So I am bringing life to you in this moment. Away from the people, away from the public, a different kind of experience altogether. Have a look at this purple flowers. And these red ones. And the cloudy sky. And the me. And this walk has to be very leisure walk, full of pleasure. You have to enjoy every moment of this walk. You cannot become mechanical and enjoy this activity. You have to be extremely spontaneous and extremely enjoying the nature, the way I am enjoying. This activity, you have to do it with your full presence. It's my gift to you to show this abundance of nature where continuous walk of 1 hour is involved. As far as the recording part is involved, I am focused on capturing the full 1 hour with you. If the battery and the other things do not come in between, then I am going to record everything. Now let me show you another moment of this squirrel. There is a squirrel around this. Yes, it's on the ground, somewhere on the trees, going on the branches. And there are birds, pigeons, so much. So let me take you to a vortex, the highest and the most powerful. Oh, there are many squirrels around. I don't know whether I will be able to capture those. But yes, around those trees, you can see many. Just get lost with me in this vortex. And there is a huge banyan tree in the background. I will show you that that tree is a vortex, ancient vortex. Ancient energies are there in that ancient banyan tree. So if there is no people around, I will take you to that vortex. Otherwise also you enjoy this nature walk with me. Look at the vastness of this tree. The branches are spreading till here. Now you are in the vortex. If you want to drink water in between, you can drink. See my happiness. This is the core where you come to the center. When you come to this place, you feel, wow. Can you feel it? Feel it with me. The breathing improved. Everything changed. This is the power of this vortex. Eagle. On top of the tree, there is an eagle sitting. If you can spot it, there somewhere. So can you stay with me for 1 hour? I can be with you. But can you? Let's see. There is a squirrel there on that tree trunk. And it will move as I move. So let me sit for a moment and make you experience this vortex. Feel it. This video is like a documentary we are watching live for real shifts. I'm showing you best of the best of nature, where everything is so precious, so alive. The Kundalini in you moves when you are in nature, when you are enjoying. So, your mind may get bored, but your soul will never be bored. Something will shift in you if you are present to this moment with me. You are feeding the mind with so many digital garbage, and it's time for you to detox. Experience something unique. The unknown path, the unknown road that I am taking. As you see, there is no pattern in my movements. There is not a straight path I am walking. Why? Because of the movement, instinctive movement of the body. When I walk in different direction, my legs, my eyes, my entire spine moves in different direction. And this is what is the secret of the energetic mastery method, to heal you from neurosis. Your nervous system has dementia. This means that your brain and nervous system has forgotten how to perform the instinctive function of life. So, taking you to a different route altogether, where nature is completely changing all the time. At one area, there is the matrix in the usual hum and drum, and this, the muddy path I am taking. My socks may get wet, doesn't matter. There is a different kind of intelligence involved in taking this path. You always walk the known path. Why? Because your mind fears the unknown. And I am teaching you live that you don't need to go with the known. Known is lethal for you. Unknown is a blessing for you. Now, how to drink water when I am talking to you? I will teach you the instinctive way of drinking water directly from the tap, how to drink it. But before that, have a look of this tree branches so uniquely protruding from the main branch. So have a look at the pigeons here, which will fly as I walk around. They're there. They did not fly because they're comfortable with me and my presence. So how to have a drink of water? I'll show you. Taking it directly from the tap and drinking like this. It's fun. So this is like you're walking on the mountain, you got some spring water and you are drinking it. And again, you are on the go. This video could change your life. This video can prompt you to just walk. Come out of your house, come out of your room, start walking and heal yourself. Feel the life. You don't have to go out in herd or troops to do this activity. It has to be a one-person activity, single activity. I am going wherever my legs are taking me, wherever my brain is guiding. I'm not following any path. And this is what you need to do. Have a look of this place. And this moss on this tree. Have a look at this moss. So lively. So ancient. Can you feel life? Wherever there is moss, there is life. There is more oxygen in this vortex. It indicates that these mosses grow only when there is prana rich, oxygen rich place. Look at this effect. And the squirrels. Yeah. Come, come, come. Come, come, come. Come, come, come. Come, come, come. Gone. Connecting to natural things is my favorite activity. And I will show you something else. The presence of this is also indicative of good prana and oxygen in this region. Whenever you find this in any tree or plant, it indicates that it is good prana and oxygen. So there is a lot to learn and discover about life. And you can do that with me in nature. Such unique things you will get. There are rat holes here and snake holes here. There is one hole which is so unique, containing rainwater. So have a look at this. And also this water body with a very unique feel, where pigeons drink water. So everything about this place is so unique, and everything about nature is so unique. You will never get a chance again, let me tell you. If you don't change now, there is no second chance to life. There is only one chance. Now it is almost 27 minutes when I started this, and Now will be the return journey. Oh, 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 oh. Have a look at there. The squirrels. Squirrels are everywhere. And the parrots. So let me take a pause and feel it and make you feel this. Eagles flying. Wherever I am, eagles come. They hover around and sometimes I talk to them. The parrots, eagles, pigeons, crows. So now, on the return journey, I will take you through a different route, which is totally different than the earlier route. And this route will make you experience something unique, something different than what you have experienced so far. So, would you like to have a break with me? Somewhere where you can have little bit of munching. So let me find a place where I can make you experience the little munching. In the meantime, you experience this view of the trees. Experience nature alone. The grass. And the stillness of the leaves. And this amazing color and branch trunk of the tree with a totally different feel. Become grateful to life. If you are alive right now, this means you have opportunity to live. So you have to become grateful. You have to raise your energies to live life. Life frequency is the highest frequency, and Sanju frequency is the highest of all. You have to tune into the Sanju frequency of life. I'm somewhere lost in this mud and I'm trying to find my way out. So if you are lost in the mind, you have to find your way to the mind. It is little risky to walk on this slippery mud, but I overcome that. I overcame that, and now I'm free again. And now I have a good road. So this is how life is. There will be challenges on the way. You will find challenges, but you have to overcome that. And it is not philosophy. It is actual the path of life. First you will get the mud and now the flowers. So nothing in life is permanent. The way you experienced the mud, the sand, now I got the bed of flowers. So life is like that. Your brain understands these instinctive functions. Your brain understands how life works. And when you live this way, you will be free from all your limitations. You will be free to live life. You will be free to experience life in a total new perspective. This nature walk of 1 hour is a meditation for you because you are doing it with me. If you walk with me, look at me, how much breaks I have taken. None, almost. And now this break also I am showing for you. For example, I am sitting here, keeping my phone here, and I will show you live a little bit of munching of some nuts. So you can always energize yourself with some nut cracking. So these are the nuts. Have a look of it. These are the nuts, and I am having it here. Eat consciously. After 30 minutes of continuous walking, I deserve this.
And if she wants that kind of like,
Kind of.
it's like go back for a year and like.
My break is over, and now back to the next route. The way back. It was almost 30 minutes of continuous walk, and now I have to meet my student, and I will take a different path now without break. So this much of munching was enough, and now I'm going towards a more raw route, which is more raw in nature, less of people and more of nature. It's more dangerous than the earlier one. Why dangerous? Because of its wildness. And I am that wild guru who takes you to the wild route. This time I will show you more because there are less people, and I want you to experience this, the stillness of this raw nature. Have a look around. Be with me. Feel the stillness. Listen to the sound of the birds. I will take you to a lake. I will show you the bamboo tree, bamboo plant. Here is the bamboo plant. This groove of bamboo makes you feel so fresh. And here is the lake. A pond, not a lake, a pond. And my friends have come. I'll call them. Hey, come here. They're there, trying to spot. Maybe not listening to my sound yet. Come, come, come. Oh, moving in different direction. They have some other agenda. Not in a mood now. Because their friends are fighting somewhere. So they have become alert. So look at this alertness. So are they friend or foe? Let's see who is more friendly. Come, come, come. 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 Both are in doubtful energy, not trusting their senses. So let me see which one senses me and comes close. If none, this means they are in doubt and they will go away. Because they are in lower energy and they could not sense. So this I keep on testing all the time. Whenever I am in nature and if they come across, I test whether they have the testing power. They have the sixth sense to test. But if they are in lower energies, they cannot sense me. And those dogs who have the power to trust this power, they come close to me, exchange love. So, isn't it interesting? 40 minutes of continuous walk, a little break in between for water and some munchies. And here you are, again coming alive. Mostly when you have a cloudy day, your energy is low. Your blood vessels are constricted and you have to energize yourself with lots of energy which you cannot take by being enclosed in a room. And now I will show you something extremely magical. This is an ancient vortex and look at this view. I cannot show you from phone, so I have to capture it from a distance. Look at this tree, majestic. The banyan tree, the ancient banyan tree. So 20 more minutes to go to complete the 1 hour of 60 minutes of walk, continuous in nature. And have a look around where those two girls are sitting on the branch of the tree. Somewhere there. Isn't it magical to experience it? It is a privilege to experience this kind of magic. So, life is here and now. This is Sanju frequency. And you have to tune into this frequency to experience life with me. I will take you to another place which is again extremely wild. Listen to the sound of the hustling of the leaves. I'm going into a bamboo groove This is the bamboo groove. Feel it with me. After this video, I will add the clips of the moments captured by my student and whatever she has expressed, her experiences of life, her uniqueness of this experience. It may be, some of the moments may be in Turkish language, and you can turn on the CC to understand whatever she has said. But if it is in English, then you can easily understand the feeling of a soul and the experience of a soul the first time she is doing this activity in an unknown country where she has never been. And this training was exclusively to teach her brain and nervous system the confidence of being in the body, the confidence of being with yourself. And in return, you are getting the gift of strengthening your nervous system, brain, muscles, your skeletal system, your total system. So, experience this ground, the orange flowers. I didn't even realize how 45 minutes have passed, because you go into the state of timelessness. Look at this tree. At every corner there are surprises. Every moment there is surprise. The nature surprises you. The nature is full of abundance. It doesn't ask anything in return. It gives you everything. And this is the power of nature. If you want to experience the power of nature, you have to embrace nature by going in the nature. You have to be fully open to life, like me. Hug trees when you are in nature. Collect flowers. Have the smell of it. Get lost. Go back to your roots. This grounding is extremely important for your soul. And you feel it, that something has moved in you. Something has awakened in you. This sadhana, this practice, this totally getting lost is extremely important. Even after your freedom, your powers, being a Siddha is not easy. Holding the power is not easy. The power holder in me demands lots of prana. Every day, the downloads of energy in you requires that your nervous system is extremely powerful to hold this energy. And with my EMM practices, I have made my system so strong and powerful that the universe flows in me, through me, for me. I am the universe. I am that power. And to experience that power, you have to be with me. You can work with me online, but for the real transformation, you have to be in my energy field. You have to be in my vortex, because only I know all the different vortexes available on this earth, and this is yet another vortex where I have come. Another point where this huge tree is making you experience something different. The soul in you is asking for freedom. The soul in you is asking for life. The soul in you is asking for the opportunity to set itself free, free of all the beliefs, conditioning, all the constriction in your nervous system around your ego. So what is your final takeaway from this video? The final takeaway from this video is get free of your ego, which has never experienced life. The ego is always in the mind. The ego is always in the thinking. And here, after 50 minutes of walk, she is somewhere in the background walking, but I will meet her after 10 minutes when the 60 minutes are over. So this was the instinctive life challenge where both of us will walk in different directions, and after a certain time both will meet at a common point. So as per the rule of the challenge and task, she has reached before 50 minutes, before 60 minutes. So as a concession, I will walk towards her and walk for the next 10 minutes along with her. So she is also completing her task and enjoying every bit of this journey. So let me take you to the final wild nature which I wanted to show you. You must have witnessed that I was talking to you throughout this video. Then I was not doing mouth exhalation. When you talk, you're actually exhaling. And that is why that exhalation part is not important when you are talking. But you will not talk when you are alone. So mouth exhalation is important. And I did not get tired at all. Look at this. Have a look of this wild hole. And another part of this jungle. Have a look. So 1 hour of continuous journey was not that difficult, isn't it? So let me show you how to sit on a tree branch, tree trunk. Have a feel of it. Look how the roots of this tree have protruded from the trunk, where you can sit. Let me show you like this. Here I was sitting. And a little more wild nature here. The natural detoxification process happens through this. Sweating will come, you will be detoxified. And this is an ancient silk tree. This one. So last 7 minutes of continuous journey, and I think I will meet her now and ask her how did she feel. So here we are, meeting after 60 minutes. 7 more minutes left.
Yes, we are successful. I
Yes,
think.
6 more minutes left.
Uh,
So you will walk for 6 more minutes together to show you how beautiful this experience was. Did you like?
I like so much. I enjoyed.
Yes,
I took videos.
yes,
It was enjoyable.
yes.
Joyful. I like.
And did you feel that you are more active and alive?
I felt I am alive.
Yes, your brain is more working.
Yes.
You have to remain aware of your surrounding.
Yes. Yes.
You-
In present time.
Yes, you cannot get lost.
No, I go this side, not get lost. I find my way. Straight.
Yes, you found your way, and since we met after 60 minutes, it was such a beautiful journey. I have recorded the full video of 60 minutes so that this remains as a lifetime of learning reference point for her. So you can watch this video, and every time you go out in nature, you can keep experiencing with this. Now one last activity is left, is to spot a dog and see whether it responds to healing. So I'm going towards the dog. You can come and follow me, and let me see whether the dog responds.
I can see him. This dog.
It's coming.
This
It's coming.
dog.
If it is coming, then you will record the full part of it.
Okay.
Wait, let me capture this moment. I asked for one, and another one has come. And they are interacting.
They are interacting.
Let them interact.
They- Ah,
They are-
they are playing.
playing. Come, come, come. Record
Ah,
them.
I'm recording.
They are the celebrity now. Record them. Hey. Come. Come. This brown dog wants to communicate, but that black and white has come, and it is
Sorry.
distracting its attention.
Mm.
Come. What are you fearing? Come. Don't fear. Actually, that dog is the reason. So, as you saw, this dog was the reason for. Can keep capturing them. Let me capture. I am ending the video with this play. Hello. Hello. Yes, finally. I knew it. That is the disturbing dog. but this wants to be get healed. And this was what I was talking about. Capture this. I know. I have the power. Heal him. Relax, 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 relax. You don't have to be fearful of this bag. Okay, come. All the time the nervous system is in alert mode. Isn't it? Because of the conditioning, this bag is making him fearful. All right, you can go. All right, you're ready to go. Go. Don't want to go? Then get healed. Get healed. You can take a close-up look little bit and then end the video. I will tell you. Yes. Huh. No need to fear. All right, friend. Bye bye. So we are ending this video with a positive note that if she can do it, you too can do it. Take inspiration from her. She took the courage. Because of my presence, I am the guru who is the taskmaster. And would you like to sum up in one sentence whatever you have experienced, 1 or 2 sentences, whatever you have experienced?
I enjoyed, I observed everything and I was in present time.
Yes. Are you confident now to have this experience on your own, in your own country or wherever you go?
Yes, I can take videos
Yes.
In my own country.
Yes.
I can do that.
Yes.
I had confidence.
And did you eat anything in between?
No.
All right. So let's have a treat. We will have a eat something. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
And hope this video will open your heart chakra, open your life, and you will start living. So we are giving ourselves a treat with this samosa chaat, and this is an experience in itself to be here in this ambience and having it. Did you like it? Okay, come here with me. The rawness of life. And after 1 hour of continuous walking, it is like a treat for the soul. Yes. And I will show you how to eat in a so much of raw environment. There is what white lily.
What did you do?
No, I think water lily.
Watermelon.
Yes, here. And in this ambience, we can sit and eat. So just have 1 spoon in front of the camera. Thereafter, we'll close the camera and we will enjoy. How is it? Did you like it?
I like this.
So enjoy. Bye bye. See you after this.
Şimdi bir ağaç gövdesi buldum ve oturdum. Now I find a place to sit. I am getting rest some. I will drink some water now. Kuş seslerini dinliyorum. Etraftaki ağaçları izliyorum. I'm listening bird sings. suyumu içeceğim. Biraz dinleneceğim. I have 10 minutes to... Aa, çok ilginç. Ah, sincap gördüm. Çok ilginç. Bunu çekmem lazım. Sincap gördüm. Bunu çekmem lazım ama kaçtı hemen. Çok hızlı gidiyor. Ben de hızla peşine takıldım. Sincap burada. Nereye gitti? Sanırım kayboldu. Tesadüfen gördüm. Çekebildim mi bilmiyorum. Aa, geri çıktı. Here. Hızla kaçıyor. Çok hızlı hareket ediyor. Kamera aldım mı bilmiyorum. Ama hızla kaçıyor. Çok tatlı bir şey. Benden kaçıyor. It is escaping from me. I can't capture it. Neyse yeterli sanırım. Alabildiysem kameraya. Şimdi bu videoyu on dakika sonra dönüşe geçip buluşacağız. Eski ağaçlar. Etraf bu şekilde. Bu taraf daha sakin, sessiz. Güzel geldi bana. Şuradaki ağaçları şuradaki bitkileri merak ettim. I wonder these plants, what are they? I will go and look them. I will go there and look them. Değişik kırmızı, bordo renkli yaprakları olan bitkiler. Bunlar buraya yeni ekilmiş herhalde. Güzel görünüyor uzaktan renkleri. They seem so beautiful from far away. Bu şekilde bordo çiçekler. Tamam, bu videoyu da durduruyorum. Daha sonra I am stopping this video and I will continue later.